stink.
No, your mouth stink for true. Stink. Like it etching on my brain.
You remember that time?
I'm not ever forget that. I'm on my deathbed. Me go set them up in them. Say, you know, such and such mouth stink like batty.
A few moments later.
Nobody does stay around that. All in beard stink.
2,000 years later.
Jahvy went to the restroom and was confronted by a man unknown to him. Now,
One eternity later.
Them try kill me, you know, dog. And them try kill me, you know. And them try kill me, you know, dog.
Somebody come and look at this.
Man, Jahvy if you go to prison and 450 if you go back a country or anywhere you come from.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How we the latest news them.
One Media Fox panny up, you know. Yeah, man. You know, I think that. So, people, everything did start around them time. Eh? That girl, yeah, you understand? Think a Lindsay she forward from. But she did, before she do that video, she did forward out and say, she talk something about Jahvy and him Brett. You see me? Bad odor and all of them little things there, you see me? Yeah, bag of thing. Then now you don't know Jahvy invite her on him platform, you see me, podcast. So she attack, you know, Jahvy ask her, say, yo, want about the producer, but Jahvy know who, but you don't know him a play like, you see me? But listen what them a say, cause this how we start every little thing, pre-mens and them something, you see me?
I just really just thinking about one. And some others, but I really just thinking about one.
Alright, I feel like I just on the breast thing.
No, your mouth stink for true. Stink. Like it's etching on my brain.
You remember that time?
I'm not ever forget that. I'm on my deathbed. Me go set them up in them. Say, you know, such and such mouth stink like batty. Yeah, I saw it serious. He must stink, man. And from when me at here, it still stink. No, I never know if to tell him. That's why I that hint at the dentist thing, but he never did pick up.
Alright, so.
Why you think him can't keep no woman? You see none of it in nobody. Nobody not stay around that. Yeah, no. Nobody not stay around that. All in beard stink.
Me don't know who.
Yes, so yeah, boy, you know, but that girl there, bag a problem, dog. You see me?
I don't know who you're talking.
The man with the big beard.
Regress. Me don't know who you're talking. I don't know who you're talking.
Low it.
Yeah, I'm low it. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Wait, he say my artist manager.
Yeah.
So the artist that look at you?
No, but we've had like
Conversation.
Okay.
So,
boy, Jay, general name know who you know, say Jahvy and 450 share talk. You see me?
everybody I look at then.
Most people,
Okay.
But I never talk to an artist. I've dated artists, but I never give them the front.
Why not?
I don't know. I just never reached.
so, production.
So, people, I think Jahvy leave the hospital. You see me? I'm in a custody now. So, I guess investigation and questioning and all of them make something. You see me? But we get a report, you know. We are going here, so you see it.
Teams are pulling down sections of the stage, signaling what should have been a celebratory end to Carnival. But this afternoon, the focus is now on the violence which unfolded here at the venue. Reports indicate that sometime after 9:30, the after party turned chaotic when 30-year-old content creator J.D. Richards, otherwise called Jahvy, went to the restroom and was confronted by a man.
So, alright, I just shown a while ago about the girl, seeing? Because you don't know Jahvy, them a watch what go on, seeing? And there are different series of occasion where anytime any topic bring about alkaline, some of the time you don't know Jahvy with a troll and him look a trolling and every little thing. You understand? But I don't know, I expect better from Jahvy them because you have an artist who have a brand. You understand? And if you never step to Jahvy, bro, seeing and the bugger man thing, brother, no make no sense, bro. Like, I feel like Jahvy should have learned better, especially whether you're a manager and you have to understand. So when you get them thing that damage on the brand, 450 everybody, you understand? You can't just go around and do them thing, bro. You see it? And boy, Jahvy will get him security guard them right now. You see me? Because nowadays, bro, the man them in them feelings, brother. So you have to go get bodyguard and them little thing there right now, because man see and just rush and ready for rush, brother. You see me? So right now, I don't know, Jeffrey right now at John Wick. You see me? John Wick right now. You see, cause look right as I know. Jeffrey got a bathroom. Man them step to him. You see me? I think them say some Jeffrey take a gun from a man or whatever. Something like so. You see me? And man get shot and I say, bro, like, really, brother? To be honest, bro, I feel like we not move to emotion now, dog. Because if a man a troll, you know, enough of all come troll, dog. You understand? Because he don't mash up everything right now. Put himself in a problem. You see me? You put yourself in a problem right now, bro. A bag of man accept to one youth. Come on, and the one youth making it look like some joke thing. You see it? But Jahvy, boy, dog, who's off fire big time, brother? Yeah, man, I fuck you do this, dog. You see me? You're a manager, bro, and you have an artist at deal, you don't have on a brand. Right now, I want to mash up on the thing, brother. I tell you that, mash up, because right now, boy, look like some, if I jail time for you, bro, I tell you, no problem, 450, you just mash up 450 career right now. You see me? Because, bro, I don't know what to say, brother. I feel like when I should even meds, like, when people are talk, bro. Because at the end of the day, dog, 450 artists, them thing I draw out, brother. Come on, dog. Because I not see Jeffrey diss you up or anything, brother. For that step they will make. You see me? But we're going to with the people.
Unknown to him. Now, investigators say the situation quickly escalated with a group of men attacking Richards before gunshots broke out inside the venue, sending patrons scampering for cover. Now, when the shooting ended, 3 men were left suffering from gunshot wounds. This includes Richards, a bystander, as well as another man who's said to be an entertainer. Now, Richards is in hospital under police guard, while another man said to be a music producer who is also a licensed firearm holder is in custody. Now, so far, 2 weapons.
So, I guess him said Jahvy is a licensed firearm.
Have been seized as the police try to determine what exactly unfolded and what led to the shooting. Now, we will be tracking this story, we will be speaking with law enforcement, and we also be speaking with some eyewitnesses, and we'll be providing details later this evening at 7 in Primetime News.
This is some more update, you know. So you don't know, say, Jahvy ambassador, in there, they half your 3 lock up, your money, they in a custody my side, no jokes, and if you don't know, Jaii in the hospital. I get to understand, so they say Jaii, while in the wrestle, to try disarm a man what did I find.
So, I think this that video I do like, maybe like yesterday or something like so. I think today. But I guess something forward out to Jaii, him released from the hospital and him in a police custody right now.
The gun at him, they must say, he get a graze. He must say, he feel a burning sensation at him lower back. When time him realize I shot him get shot. But it's still known on my side. Look like nobody at all do not want to own a gun. Looks at it. Look like said the gun it don't license. It's not a legal piece. I just want to go dirty gun boy. Look like them have. You know see it. Nobody at all don't want to claim it. You see me? No jokes. Police never just take a whole heap of fingerprints and they say thing that all their money with a power with them and when thing go, yeah, just swap them. And they say thing come down. And they say thing there. It look like say oh then come in an effort to really get Jeffrey, Gigi. You see me? Maybe then come and point the gun pan him, but what? They never did plan for use it, but watch you know. You look like them things that Jeffrey just they got answer back and take it this. But look like when JC gun point at him, he da rise the occasion and just know say yo, he might go wrestle with the man them. So I saw him take when I man them gun me a hear my side. And I saw when I look at him take away gun come in an effort to really get Jeffrey, Gigi. You see me? Maybe then come and point the gun pan him, but what? They never did plan for use it, but watch you know. You look like them things that Jeffrey just they got answer back and take it this. But look like when JC gun point at him, he da rise the occasion and just know say yo, he might go wrestle with the man them. So I saw him take when I man them gun me a hear my side. And I saw when I look at him take away gun, man start take with himself. And when I take a stop, man dep on scene when the shot starts spray out. Even the news did give me the report like so 3 somebody get injured or 3 somebody get shot. In real life it look like so just 2 somebody alone really injured. Jaii was saying get it.
Yeah man, I think our 3 get shot in because I think them say a US citizen get shot as well. You understand? And them say Jeffrey and them say one of the entourage from 450 group, so yeah. I think that's 3, you see me?
He agrees at him lower back and the man will get the shot from Jaii himself. So I don't know what going on with the news as it relates to this. I don't know if you come in an effort to bully the man at the event. You see me? But what you know, it never did make it go so. Oh, no did want to turn out, it never make it turn out. So it take control of the situation. I hold on and run up and down like Menke. I wanna man, blogger upon blogger side, artist upon artist side, I just say thing there. Brawling, cause you know, I see him so they can bust all them style upon me. Active me general, see him on they can bust them style upon me, but I feel like me I do this and I make you feel like me coward. Me I make you know saying and a piece and safety when I come a foot. That man I tell you no brawling. Me not talk say Jahvy man, I'm team man as a blogger to a next blogger me say. Right now as me say my side, in the hospital. You see me?
And at that, like, yo, them man yeah, I don't know dog. You see this, you know, I rate people. I rate this artist and this bag of entourage thing, brother. Them thing I can put the artist in a trouble, bro. You understand? The whole of 15 and array a step to Jahvy, one man alone. You understand? Over. Remember, you know, I don't know if Jahvy this up, like, bro. You understand? Remember, say, I think 450 put Jahvy in a song. You see me? Although Jahvy found out and say, yo, him kiss the buff and thing. But you see me? So, I don't know. Pre-ments are going, so you don't know them sing song. One bag of thing, bag of series, and you don't know. I think the last time, you see me? I think Jahvy that say, yo, you say artist not getting a feature from Alkaline. One bag of something. So it's a series of trolling. So it look to me now, them see Jahvy at the party. Seeing? But you look at Jahvy there on some people. So it look like them wait. Them just wait for see if catch him alone. You understand? Or that enough. Cause me no feel them a got the intention for shoot and Ray Jahvy because where that place there, they close to Jamaica house. You don't know the government house. Seeing? So right now, me know them never go there for like fire no, cause bag of police and every little thing. You see me? But it's like maybe man them attack now and Jahvy saying and then him now go sucker. Maybe man pull gun pan him and say Jahvy say yo man not take no check you know. And maybe just start squeeze and man run up and down. At that you know cause man want say man beat up man and all of them little thing there bro. But bro, as me say me lose off a Jahvy them brother. I tell you. Me lose off a Jahvy them. You see it? Because bro, when you just mash up on the whole and the thing right now bro. I tell you no. Bad reputation for right now bro. Right now Jahvy I get the winnings right now. After today, right, Jahvy, all film video when him a forward out, about 1 million views that I go get, brother. I tell you. You see it, I'm gonna make money off of this. You see it. And at the end of the day, you have to big up a man for how they defend themselves. You see it, especially with 15 man. For attack him. You see it. A real Jamaican John Wick. You see it, so. But we 450 to them though. Wait, Jahvy them though. The whole of the man them bro, like. They expect better for one dog, but don't put yourself in a situation right now. Because if a prison time, bro. You see me? So, we're going to see what go on, people.
One, treat that the one they want to get. But as we a gun, none of the man them out of the entourage, them don't want to own it. None of them don't want to own it. Nobody feel no way, them fling way well on upon the one illegal gun there, you know. Don't feel no way. You see me? No for no entourage members, we're supposed to reevaluate on the life now too. We're supposed to recheck on the life and the whole on the decision on the make from them time, you know, from them, we don't follow back at artists. You must reevaluate everything and I think it's true. You see me? But watching on my side, as more data and full about this, I'll be sure to keep you all informed and posted. Yeah, man, the man, they must see the man with him, girl. And I move like they want to come this the man in front time, girl. You see, when I saw shit in a plate, you. All if you get chance see no 450, nobody no feel no way for you, know. But him never real two tools if you bumbo clad music, them still. You see, you never see one bad artist. But me just say, never listen to your music, them. I just say a thing there. Let's move.
Try kill me, dog. And them try kill me, and them try kill me, dog.
So see him say, yo, them a try kill him. You see me, cause if one man a go bat you, man, look like when man a forward out or something, man bag a man step. You understand? So if a man a pull, that's what I tell you, if a man a pull out gun, you know, him have a intention, we say, yo, kill, why you take out a gun? You understand? So Jahvy can say I kill them or kill. You see, Jahvy can say I kill them or kill, so. Yeah, man, so Nico Fire run out and attack a bag of things.
A prison and 450 if you go back a country anywhere you come from. And where them little flashy and them good lifestyle, them just taken away from them. Because them not appreciate when enough youth work hard to get. Them have when enough youth in the industry work hard to get. Oh, when you take up for yourself and go to the bathroom for beat, man. I want to go do. Look one man penis, but I want to beat, man. I remember me and gay fear enough, you know. Because we have differences, but end of the day is chota, rights are rights. When you can't want to come violate people. and then want to take people life. But Jah just make sure say you sit away where get free. Make you have a belief in this man. I don't know how he do it still, but kudos to him. I pray for them figure.
Yeah, man, that this thing there. Why? I don't know, Jay look like Jahvy in some training or something. But we're gonna see today's forward what we're going. You understand?
For them, only for prison. And 450, you know. But you have to follow back at them with them foolish. We don't rich and have money to enjoy life. Prison, you want to figure out who go to prison, when you get back broke and suffer.
And that, yo, I don't know people, but them money have money. And it's like, bro, we don't have money, we don't have the life, we don't have no business, we don't have no... Bro, like, I want to make some little trolling and something get to, no, bro, for put all on a career to end, brother, or end on a life, dog. You understand? We don't have money and everything, brother, like, why? Bro, and Jahvy himself, brother, you say you look up to Alkaline, bro. Seeing? Bro, look how much people that chat bag of things about Alkaline, brother. Alkaline not meds them thing, bro. You should have learned from that, brother. People are gonna talk, brother. Just prove them wrong, dog. So if Jay Frais say, yo, 450 can't find a song or 450 this and right, brother, you shouldn't even get in your feelings, bro. You understand? If you step to a man or, you see me? Like, come on, brother. You see, Jay Frais does podcast, he can just talk. Talk all him want, bro. You see me? Whatever them him talk, he can't do nothing to no, brother. You see me? Him just a podcaster. So I don't know how, brother, how to make Jay Frais drown out for putting a life like this, bro. You understand? I'm supposed to wiser than this, brother. The bagger man thing, bro, and step to man, like, I don't know, one of the expect how this forward, and especially where that thing happen, brother, bro, beside the government place. You see me? Garden house. I think so. Yeah, beside the government place up there, so brother, and imagine shut a fire beside the government house. John, yo, I tell you, look on the brother. Cause right now, if Jahvy getting a problem and gone, like, we go start out 450 career, we go manage it, we go do all of them little things there, brother. When match up on the brand, brother, contract I go lose and every little thing. You see me? Yeah, man.
When I cruff, when you make millions and I make millions and want beat man for over where them say. When I drunk, man, I'm not sorry for none of them, man. None of them I'm not sorry for. Prison, you go. I saw Jay Frais never can't hold on. And funeral keep. You see, girl left for your yard in a way about she got gas station, but she want war girl, you see. A funeral, her family to keep. And some funeral should have keep phone. And I'm 450 song I play. When you bright out, I don't feel like when you can disrespect people. When you go, man, when you reach a lot of fuckery. You don't like you, man. Let me tell you something, man. Jahvy.
Yeah, man, people, so, yo, you see podcasts of them, and I forgot those watching the back right now, because, yeah, people out there with us sit down and wait for buckling up somewhere, you know. So we have to have some security everywhere and go and all of them things, bro. Cause them money, brother, it don't make no sense, dog. Them money, I don't know that. Them money are weak, brother. Like, them money are easy for draw out, brother. I tell you that. Easy for draw out. You see me? Cause it don't make no sense, brother. Man, them just bag of sugar, dog. You see it? But, yo, that situation I could have, I don't know, dog. To be honest, Jahvy should have never make this even go so far, brother. Like, brother, I don't know. It's like, I don't know that. Me always say, yo, them money, I don't know why. Them money, like, too much jail thing, brother. Everybody just want to do things to go jail, so. Nobody don't want to live life and them little thing, ne. The man, them rich and have money and still, bro, either you go do the music, you know, brother, or not go do badness. You know, can't do the two things, them, you know. You understand? So, either not do music or badness, bro. This not look good, brother, but people, I don't know, one media facts pan it up, you know. Yeah, man, you know, I think said. That is it.